Doing a quick video of me putting the seat covers on this weekend. This isn't going to be any detailed videos coming up, but any points that I think are important, I wanted to let you guys know. First of all, you're going to need heat, definitely, like the gentleman says, a lot of heat to get these side bolts out of the frame there. They are on like you wouldn't believe. So applying some heat very carefully with a blowtorch, bit spooky, but you can do it. Very, very happy with these, as I say. Pretty much identical, really. I don't see any difference, really. So all you're going to have to do is cut your holes for the catches and the bars and everything. And I will follow up with a few other little quick videos of things that I run into I think are important. One other thing before the minute is up. This side handle was a bit of a bear. As you can see, it's almost like a bayonet fit. So you're going to have to twist and pull. So that's one other little pain in the butt thing. But anyway, I will shoot another one. Have a good one, guys. Minute's up. Bye.